Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. So this week we are going to learn a conics section. Alright, so let's see the second subtopic of chapter 1, which is curve sketching. Okay, so in curve sketching, you are going to learn how to sketch a conic section. So they are a circle followed by a parabola, and then you are going to learn ellipse, and also you are able to learn hyperbola. Okay, so they are all in rectangular coordinate system ataupun kita panggil Cartesian coordinate system lah. Okay, alright, so let's see an overview of a conic section. So what is a conic section? It is the intersections of a plane and a cone. So you ada plane kat sini. Okay, and also cone here. So bila plane tu they cuts on the curve akan produce a conic section. Okay, so parabola. Okay, kalau parabola, you cut in this angle. Okay, slanted lah. Alright, so you akan dapat parabola can be seen. So kalau you circle, you cut dia, which is normal to a cone. Okay, kalau ellipse, slightly slanted to the cone. Okay, so you akan dapat ellipse. Ellipse ni hijau lah. Okay, and then kalau you correct, dia lebih kurang parabola, tapi dia ke depan sikit. Ini panjang kan. Ini ke depan sikit dia dapat short je. So dia adalah hyperbola. Dia ke depan you akan dapat atas dan bawah cone lah. So membentuk produce a hyperbola. So you are going to learn a circle first, and then followed by how to sketch a parabola, and also how to sketch an ellipse, and the last one how to sketch a hyperbola. Okay, so let's see how to sketch a circle first. Okay, so you ada cone, you ada plane, so you cut the plane cuts off the circle in this way. So you got cut off the cone, so you got circle. So the general form of a circle is the x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and bear in mind a, b, and c are constant. Okay, so this general form of a circle you have to memorize. Okay, you have to memorize. Okay, so we have two types of circles where the center is at 0, 0. Okay, so ini you punya rectangular coordinate system lah. Okay, this is a rectangular coordinate system. You have the circle, and then the center of the circle is at the origin, which is 0, 0. Okay, so the standard form for the circles where the center is at 0, 0 is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. R here is a radius. Okay, and also we have a center which is at HK. Okay, so dia bukan pada origin ni, origin pada HK, let's say pada 2K. Okay, how to calculate this circles at the center HK? So we have a standard form which is x minus h. Okay, h ni adalah center, iaitu paksi x. Okay, x minus h square plus y minus k square. K ni adalah pada paksi y lah. And then it's equal to r. Again, r ni adalah radius of the circle. Okay, so you have to memorize this standard form of circles. Okay, and then it is actually you obtain this general form from this standard form at circle HK. Okay, you obtain this general form from the standard form of a circle where the center is at HK. Okay, so let's see the example. Write the equations of the circle in the standard form, okay, where the center is at -2, 5 and r is equal to 7. Okay, so let's see the standard form where the center is, kita panggil center dia adalah pada HK lah. Okay, so we have a x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r. So from here we know that h is equal to -2, k is equal to 5, and r is equal to 7. So rewrite, we have a x minus -2, so we have a plus 2 square plus y minus k, which is a 5 square, is equal to 7, radius 7 square, which is equal to 49. Okay, that is it. A. Okay, how about B? Center, the equations of circle in the standard form, okay, with a center at 4, 2, and the circle passing through -1, -1. Okay, apa maksud dia? Ini balik-balik kepada, we go back to, okay, the lesson of last week, okay, week 1. This one is a pass through a point -1, -1. So you kena guna, okay, R, which is a D. Ingat tak? Kita ada point center at 4, 2. Okay, which is R. Here adalah D. Square root of, okay, saya tulis balik x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1. So you guna balik knowledge on last week. Okay, you use the knowledge on last week. Okay, so equal to, okay, square root x2 is -1 minus x1 minus 4 square plus y2 -1 minus y1 2 square. Okay, this one is a 5 square plus -3 square. So you got 25 plus 3 plus 9. 25 plus 9, so equal to square root 34. So at a center H, K for 2. Okay, so H is equal to 4, K is equal to 2, and R is equal to square root 34. So the standard, okay, equation form of a circle is x minus 4 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to r square, square root 34 square. So becomes, okay, x minus 4 simplify plus y minus 2 square is equal to square root 34 square. Square root square, so square root eliminated. So you got 34. Okay, so that is the answer for B. Alright, so let's see another example for your better understanding. So state the center and the radius of each of the circle and then sketch the graph. Okay, you have to state the center and also the radius, and then you have to sketch the graph. Okay, so let's see A. Okay, you have x minus 3 squared plus y plus 6 squared equal to 36. Okay, so we compare with the general form, the standard form, sorry, x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. So from the comparison, we can see that h is equal to 3, k is equal to negative 6, and r is equal to 6. Okay, so state the center. So the center is at 3, negative 6. Radius r is equal to 6. So how the graph looks like. So this is how the graph looks like. The center is at 3, negative 6. Center 3, negative 6. Yeah. Okay, and then the radius is 6. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, sorry. Here. So here is 3. So 3 to 9. Okay, this is the radius. Radius is applicable for all the circles. Okay, radius dia sepanjang the whole circle is always 6. Yeah. Okay, so we move to the second one, B. Okay, so B, x squared plus y plus 10 squared equal to 9. So from here we can see that center is at the x squared, so it is actually maksud dia adalah 0. Okay, so k adalah negative 10. And then how about the radius? Radius is at, this one is actually 3 square, betul tak? So the radius is 3. So how about the graph looks like? So this is how the graph looks like. Okay, you are the center at 0, negative 10, so dekat sini lah. And the radius is 3. So negative 10, so radius dia should be negative 7 here. Okay, this one bersama 2. You can see in the middle of 2 and 4, so of course 3. Yeah? Okay, so let's see C. Okay, it is a 2 x minus 3 squared plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. So what we have to do now is that you have to rearrange and simplify this equation. So macam mana saya buat one by one for your understanding. Kita rearrange dulu. Okay, plus 2y. So constant bawa pergi sini lah. Negative 10 bawa pergi kanan, so positive 10. Okay, so what's next? Kita simplify, you divide 2 on both sides. So you got x minus 3 squared plus y equal to 5 right now. So comparison, we can see that the center occur at okay, 3, 0. And the radius of the circle is at square root 5. Sebab apa? It is actually square root 5 and then square. So square root ni lah, sebab tu you dapat 5. Okay? Alright, so that is the center and the radius. Okay, so how about the graph? So center is at 3, 0. So kat sini lah, 3, 0. Okay, and then the radius, tekan calculator berapa. Okay, so you akan dapat lah. Right, so that is an example 2. Okay, we move to the next example, which is example 3. Determine the center and the radius of the circle. Okay, a x squared plus 2x plus y squared minus 4y is equal to 5. Okay. Alright, so macam mana nak buat completing the square lah. Okay, right, so macam mana nak completing the square? Okay, so let's see, kalau you lupa saya ingatkan. So kumpulkan dia x dengan x, y dengan y. So ini akan jadi satu equation. Ini akan jadi satu equation. So kita nak buat completing the square by completing the square ataupun saya tulis CTN. So kalau after this I mention about CTN, so you understand lah maksud adalah completing the square. So by completing the square method, so okay, so ni completing the square. Okay, so you ada x square plus 2x. Completing the square adalah you halfkan x tambah dengan half b. Okay, this one is a, this one is b, right? Sama, this one is a, this one is b. Okay, sebab apa? Quadratic kan, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so kalau you tak sure, you boleh refer balik you punya module basics mathematics, basic mathematics yang you belajar masa sem kosong dulu. Okay, so x plus half b, okay, 1/2 times 2. 1/2 times 2, and then squarekan dia, so minus this one, 1/2 times 2, 1 square, so 1 lah. Okay, plus, buat yang ni pula, okay, y minus half b, then square. Okay, so 1/2 times 4 to negative 2 square. Negative 2 square jadi 4 kan, so minus 4. Sebab apa? Kita tambah di sini, and then kita kena tolak balik. Maksudnya you tak ubah apa-apa. Awak tambah 1 kat sini kan, so awak kena tolak balik 1. 1 square, so 1. Ini half, okay, and then square. So that's why kena tolak balik. So equal to 5 is 5 lah. Okay, so rearrange. Dia akan jadi x plus simplify. Okay, 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus half times 4, 2. Okay, so square minus 4. Okay, can you see? Negative 2 square 4, so minus 4. Okay, so equal to 5. Okay, so simplify again, x plus 1 square plus y minus 2 square. So this one negative 1 minus 4, negative 5, so equal to 5. So negative 5 move to the right, so plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, so kita nak buat apa? Kita nak cari center and also the radius. So you dah dapat dalam standard form. So ingat tak? Okay, ingat tak? Ini kan yang kita tadi kan x square plus b square plus ax plus k by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so this is kita panggil dia adalah dalam standard form at h. Okay. Okay, so what's next? Kita nak cari center and also the radius. Okay, so what is the center? Kalau tengok dekat sini, okay, so the center is at, okay, plus 1, so maksudnya negative 1, negative 2, itulah, okay, center, okay. So what is the radius? Radius adalah sama macam tadi, negative square root 10. Square root 10. Sebab apa? Square root 10. Sebab this one is r square, right? So here is actually square root 10 and then square, baru dapat 10. Okay, that is the answer for A. Okay, so how about B? Okay, how about B? B, okay, B saya nak you try buat sendiri. Okay, B saya nak awak try buat sendiri. Here you kena buat completing the square method. How about B? Try on your own. Okay. Alright, so I give you the answer. The answer is okay, try at home. Alright, so the answer is center is at, okay, kalau tengok kat sini is at 0, 0, negative, 0, 3. Okay, sorry, 0, 3, and the radius is, okay, 3. So that is the answer for number 3. Okay, so next example 4. Find the value of P for x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 12y plus P is equal to 0 if the radius is 4. Okay, so you have x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 12y plus P is equal to 0, where the radius is equal to 4. So, macam mana nak buat? First of all, you kena rearrange sebab x dengan x, y dengan y, dia scattered. So, you mesti rearrange dia lah. Okay, so x square minus 4x plus y square plus 12y plus p is equal to 0. Okay, macam mana nak buat? Ini sama dengan yang sebelumnya. Okay, which is you have to do okay, completing the square method. Okay, so macam mana nak buat? Sama macam yang tadi saya ajar. Okay. Macam mana nak buat? Okay, ini satu group. And this one satu group sama macam tadi. Okay, this one is actually your C. Okay, C. Macam nak buat? Completing the square paling senang, ambil x minus half b. Okay, half pada negative 4, negative 2. So letak square. So negative 2 square adalah 4. So minus 4 plus y plus, okay, half 12. So 6. Okay, so square. So you have a 6 square, 36. So this one is 36. So you kena balik 36. Okay, plus p equal to 0. So dia akan jadi x minus 2 square plus y plus 6. Okay, equal to what? Equal to negative 4 minus 36. Negative 40 plus p. So bawa, bring to your right. So akan jadi 40 minus p. Okay, so what's next? Kita compare dengan this one. Okay, so what's next? Okay, kita tahu this one adalah r, kan? R square, kan? So what is r square? 4. What is r? R is 4. Okay. So we have okay, update 40 minus p is equal to r square. 40 minus p, okay, is equal to, okay, r dia adalah 4. So dia ada square, right? So 40 minus p is equal to 4 square is 16. So 40 minus 16 is equal to p. So therefore p is equal to 24. Thank you.